How to use Zelle with Citibank. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use a Zelle with Citibank. So to do that, or to use Zelle with Citibank, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, you want to access your account via Citi mobile app or Citi online. And after you're logged into your account, then you want to navigate to send money with Zelle from the home section or Zelle section within the app or website. As you do that, you then want to go ahead and enter your US mobile number or email address. Then you have to receive a one-time verification code and enter it to confirm. After which, you have to accept the terms and condition. Choose a checking or savings account you want to link for sending and receiving money. Use the recipient's US mobile number or email to send money instantly to people you know and trust. As you do that, you then want to go ahead and and as you do that, you've successfully used Zelle with Citibank. And what you need is basic things to remember. You can now Zelle is for sending money to friends, family, and other you know and trust, as there is no purchase protection, and transfers are for US based account in US dollars only. And you need to be eligible, and you need to have an eligible checking or savings account to use Zelle. And that's how you should be able to use Zelle with Citibank. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.